G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Royal Blend, and today I'm going to make for you a Thai mango ice cream in the Vitamix blender. This is a brand new recipe. It's absolutely delicious, so let's get blending. I'm using the Ascent A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line model. It has all preset functions, including a ice cream setting, which I'll be using today. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to put in 270 mils of coconut cream. Absolutely beautiful, or just enough to cover the blade. Now I've got some beautiful Thai flavors here. I've got some kaffir lime. I'm just going to put in just a nice little wedge of kaffir lime there. It's fresh from the tree. And I've got some beautiful ginger. Nice bit of ginger. We want to taste that little bit of ginger in there. And I've also got some chili. I'm going to put in about a third of a red hot bird's eye chili. You can put as little or as much as you like, but we're definitely going to taste that chili kick in there. And I've also got some Thai basil. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to put a good little handful of that Thai basil in there, give it that flavor. And then I've got some frozen mango. But just enough mango there. I'm just going to put a little bit more mango in. So we're going to lock our lid into place. Make sure that lid's locked in place. I'm going to put it on our ice cream setting. So I literally just hit the button, comes up, it says 55 seconds. It's automatically going to start blending, and it's going to switch off when the blending cycle is complete. I have to use my tamper when making ice cream. That's just designed to circulate the ingredients and help them into the blade. Let's get blending. Here we go. Absolutely beautiful. Take a look at that. That is thick, that is frozen inside the container. Alright, that is a quick and easy ice cream. Vitamix makes it so simple. Restaurant quality. I'm going to try some of that. This is how I eat it at home, straight out of the container on the couch. So good. You get those beautiful flavors of the ginger, the Thai basil, and that punch from the chili and the kaffir lime leaf. Whew, absolutely delicious. Happy blending.